By far, the #1 mistake I see when people hike a kettlebell is hiking it too low. They just hike it between their shins and not between their thighs. To correct this, we're going to put a yoga block between your feet, and you're going to hike the kettlebell over the block. If you hit the block, you hiked it too low. If you miss the block, success. You've made a good hike. So a lot of immediate feedback on this one. We're going to take our bell. You're going to put it out in front, and your goal is to hike it over. However, if you hike too low, you've knocked the block over. To correct this, you know that you now need to hike it a little bit higher. You're going to make 5 reps. After you've made 5 good reps, you're then going to progress it into your clean in the rack position. To address the issue of hiking the kettlebell too shallow or actually in front of your hips, we're going to need something soft. And this might take having a partner with a mat, or one of those balance pads, or just a really soft plyo box. Now you're going to line up like 6 to 8 inches in front of either your partner or the mat, and you're going to be hiking the bell through your hips, and you're trying to touch or contact that soft surface. You're going to be hiking the bell back and just putting it back to the starting position. You're going to make 5 reps and then retry your hike to the clean in the rack. And lastly, to address standing up during your hike, we're going to be performing a squat isometric with a bicep curl. This is going to tax your legs and your trunk to keep you down in that squat position while having a changing center of mass, which is essentially what your hike does. To do this, you're going to need like a medium bell, something maybe a little lighter than you are going to be using to press and squat. You're going to flip it bottoms up. You're going to go down into your squat position, and you're going to be bicep curling. So I'm trying to maintain my height while changing the center of mass of my body by having the bell go up and down. You're going to make 5 reps, and then you're going to practice your hike to see if you can't maintain your head level versus standing up during that hike.